Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You have the speaker charged and your phone ready. Power on the JBL Clip 3 and press the Bluetooth button until the LED flashes. This puts the unit into pairing mode so devices can find it. On your phone, open Bluetooth settings and keep the device list visible. You'll need to spot JBL Clip 3 quickly. Once you see it appear, don't rush. Pairing requires you to tap the name and accept any prompt, which completes the initial handshake between devices. You tap the speaker name. Now let the phones and speaker exchange profiles. After you accept any pairing prompt, wait for the Bluetooth status to change to connected. Often the LED stops flashing or becomes solid. Make sure your phone's audio output is routed to the Clip 3 and test with a short clip. Set phone volume to mid-level before raising the speaker volume to avoid sudden loudness. If you use voice assistants, grant any microphone or media permissions. The phone requests to enable full functionality. You're at the finish line. Play a song and listen for clarity and steady playback. That confirms a successful connection. Make any final adjustments. Attach the carabiner, set equalizer or stereo preferences in the JBL app, and update firmware if available. If audio drops or pairing never completes, power off the Clip 3 and your phone, then power them back on and repeat the pairing steps. If problems persist, remove/delete the
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.